Who wants to be a Piglionnaire? Welcome to the Guinea Pig Quiz. Are you ready to test your knowledge about these adorable little creatures? Whether you're a new guinea pig owner or just a fan of these furry potatoes, this quiz is for you. To celebrate our first year of sharing information about guinea pigs, let's test your knowledge with this fun quiz game. If you are not sure about an answer, don't worry. The world of guinea pigs is filled with surprising information. At the end of the quiz, let us know your score and which questions you found the most difficult. Are you ready to test your knowledge about guinea pigs? Let's dive in and see if you are a good student of the Guinea Pig Facts channel. Good luck! Where do guinea pigs originate? Answer C. South America. Guinea pigs are also known as Answer A. Cavy. How often should you clean a guinea pig's cage? Answer A. Daily. What is the most critical component of a guinea pig's diet? Answer B. Vitamin C. Guinea pigs should avoid eating? Answer B. Potatoes. What is a group of guinea pigs called? Answer A. Herd. How many toes do guinea pigs have on their front feet? Answer D. 8. What is the average weight of an adult guinea pig? Answer B. 1 kilogram. Which vitamin is essential for guinea pigs? Answer C. Vitamin C. What is the primary source of vitamin C for guinea pigs? Answer D. How many pairs of mammary glands do female guinea pigs have? Answer A. 1. They have only one pair. How often should you give your guinea pig a bath? Answer D. Only when necessary. How many poops pellet they make per day? Answer C. Over 100. How big is the field of vision of a guinea pig? Answer C. 340. How many teeth do guinea pigs have? Answer D. 20. What is the average lifespan of a guinea pig? Answer B. 4 to 8 years. Which of the following is not a common guinea pig breed? Answer A. T-Rex. What is the gestation period of a guinea pig? Answer B. 59 to 72 days. What is the primary component of a guinea pig's diet? Answer D. Hay. How many bones do guinea pigs have? Answer C. 258.